What is serum? Types of serums, benefits of serums, which serum is good for you, and how it works. Hello everyone, I'm Sheetal and welcome to my channel. This video is all about what is serum, types of serums, benefits of serums, which serum is good for you and how it works. I have a surprise for you, so please watch the video till end. So let's get started.
Hi everyone, Urshita Mania is now Sanshe Sheetal. Wee!
Serums are basically in gel or liquid form which has very small molecules. Due to these small molecules, it deeply penetrates into the skin and gives effective results. Our skin has three layers: epidermis, dermis and hypodermis, which is also known as a fat layer. Creams and lotions which we apply on our skin work only on the topmost layer, epidermis. But due to small molecules of serums, it deeply penetrates into the last layer and works effectively. There are three types of serums: anti-aging, day serum and night serum. If your focus is on reducing fine lines, aging, have mature skin and you're 40 and above, then anti-aging serums are best for you. Day serums we use only in daytime. If your skin is very dry or combination, mix it with your cream or moisturizer, then apply. You can go out as well and apply makeup too. At night when we sleep, our skin is also on repair mode, so whatever we apply on our skin always give good results. For that, we use night serums. I have this night serum, Sanshe Vitamin C Night Serum. Sanshe is my brand name. It has vitamin C 20%, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Now, what is the hyaluronic acid? I tell you, hyaluronic acid is naturally present in our skin, which hydrates, moisturizes and plumps our skin. But due to external factors like sun rays, UV rays or improper diet, this hyaluronic acid reduces. Vitamin C is a daily routine of our skin. Even though we take balanced diet, our skin does not get proper vitamin C, so it is always recommended to apply vitamin C externally. This vitamin C is suitable for all genders, whether you are a male, female or on doctor's prescription, even kids can use this. Suitable for all skin types, whether your skin is dry, combination, oily, acne prone, this vitamin C serum is good for you. It is 100% natural vitamin C. It performs as an antioxidant, skin brightening agent and exfoliates skin. It has anti-aging properties with vitamin E, B3 and hyaluronic acid. Citric acid we use in preserving jams, jellies. So this vitamin C serum is preserved with citric acid only. The thing which we can eat can apply on our skin also. This vitamin C serum treats acne and its scars, reduce open skin pores, brighten up skin, brings glow in your skin, reduce suntan, pigmentation. This is the one solution of all skin related problems. Whenever you try a new beauty product, always do a patch test. I will tell you how to do patch test in two different ways. The potency of this vitamin C serum is 20%. After some time, its potency reduces. So always prefer vitamin C serum 20% potency. Now I show you how to apply this serum. After its application, wait for 5 minutes. For best results, always use vitamin C serum followed by the moisturizer or kumkumadi serum. I have uploaded a video on kumkumadi oil. Link I will share with you, and you can see a code on the screen. Just share this code with me and you will get up to 50% discount on this vitamin C serum. Hope you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too, so whenever I upload a new video you get the notifications. Bye bye.